Milk frother handheld battery-operated, foam maker, Matcha Whisk, electric one-drink mixer, coffee frother with stainless steel whisk. Easy to use. The battery-operated milk frother is easy to control and easy to clean, use with 2 AA batteries. Handheld version makes the frother easy to use by hand. Battery-operated milk frother will be very easy to install. Quick froth. 15 seconds is enough to make a large cup of frothy drink by this electric milk frother. Thanks to its strong power, you can use it as coffee frother, latte frother, foam maker, hot chocolate maker, matcha whisk and other drink blender. Multi-purpose. The milk frother can be used for cappuccino, caffè, hot chocolate, frappè, milkshake and any other drinks. It's easy to make drinks by this milk frother handheld version. Safe material. Food-grade stainless steel casing and whisk make this matcha whisk and coffee frother very safe for you. The handheld frother is also BPA-free. 100% lifetime warranty. We are confident with our milk frother, and we back this up with a lifetime guarantee. If there are any issues, please contact us. We provide 100% full money-back guarantee within a month. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.